Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And maybe you have a problem with a device and you went to the device manager to see if everything looked all right. This is one of the first steps. Usually when a device doesn't work, you'll right click the start button and you'll go into device manager. Here, what you'll be looking at is anything out of the ordinary that has popped up. Usually a device that doesn't work will have opened its subsection in order to show you what device, and usually we'll have something like a yellow triangle or some sign that there's something not right. Today we're going to talk specifically about something that someone asked me in a comment, and it's about the famous error 43, code 43. So you looked at the device, there's a yellow triangle, and that device has popped up code 43. What does it mean and what can you do? Code 43 is a very generic code, but it actually says one thing, that Windows has stopped the device because the device itself has told Windows that there's a problem. So where the problem lies, it could be a faulty driver. A code 43 can be a problem with drivers that are corrupt or that are bad, or a incorrect driver that you tried to push on a device which should not have been there, and so it just can't communicate properly. The other thing is, make sure the device is well connected. It often shows up, for example, on USB devices, and sometimes it's, just try a different USB port, or even completely change the USB cable with something new. Make sure there's no dust in the connectors so that the connection between the computer and the device are rock solid. And last but not least, one of the things that could be happening is also a failure in the device. It happens often. For example, here is a GPU, the example here. It happens very often that a GPU, a graphics processing unit, actually fails. I had that happen a couple of times while building my own PCs back in the day, where at some point a GPU just fails because these things get real hot and could, over time, the overheating and the stress on the PC itself and the heat will, damage the device itself. So it could be a faulty device. This is also something very common that will give you a code 43. So make sure connections are rock solid. If it's a GPU, it's a, desktop PC. What you could do is open your PC, take the time to remove some dust, take that GPU out of its socket and refit it in the socket itself. Sometimes it, makes the connections better. And so that could help. And of course, make sure that everything works. For example, in GPUs, it's fans. Some GPUs have fans on them. Make sure the fan works. Sometimes it could be a fan that doesn't work. And the GPU itself will say, I don't want to, have any heavy graphics because my fan isn't working, and it will actually show up code 43. So there's all sorts of things like that. So it's a complex code because a lot of things can go wrong that make this code happen. But this is, basically what you should be looking for. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.